Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy Leche Flan. First, gather your ingredients: 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, and half a cup of granulated sugar. You will also need a anura or a heat-proof dish for steaming. Ensure all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best results. This simple preparation ensures a silky, delicious dessert every time. To begin, place half a cup of granulated sugar directly into your anura or chosen mold. Heat it over a low flame, gently swirling the pan until the sugar melts and turns into a beautiful golden caramel. Be careful not to burn it. Next, in a separate bowl, gently whisk together the 10 egg yolks, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Mix just enough to combine, avoiding too many bubbles. Once your caramel is ready and slightly cooled, carefully strain the egg and milk mixture into the anura. This step is crucial for a super smooth flan, removing any bits of egg white or unmixed ingredients. Cover the mold tightly with aluminum foil to prevent water from entering. Steam the flan for approximately 45 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. The steaming process is key to its creamy texture. After steaming, remove the anura from the steamer and let it cool down to room temperature. This prevents condensation from forming on the flan. Once cool, refrigerate your Leche Flan for at least 4 hours, or ideally, overnight. Chilling allows it to firm up and enhances its rich flavor. When ready to serve, run a thin knife around the edges, invert it onto a plate, and enjoy. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.